Welcome to the Belly Up Bar again. Tonight we're going to make a punch called Zamboanga. It comes in at 23% ABV. It's from Trader Vic's, 1972. It's an oldie but a goodie, classic. So let's get started. It calls for 1.5 dark Jamaican. I'm going to use Myers because when it says punch, this is a very good rum to use. It's dark and it's Jamaican. It has kind of a cola taste to it. So when you're making planters punches, it's the rum to use. And it calls for 1/2 of a Puerto Rican white. So I'm going to use Havana Club. Not from Cuba. 1/2 of that, and 1/2 of passion fruit nectar. Okay, I've never seen passion fruit nectar anywhere. I'm going to use syrup. This particular brand is very strong, so I'm just going to use 1/4 instead of 1/2. My understanding is that nectar is the pulp with sugar added. So this may not be exactly the right thing, but it's going to give the taste. And it's only 1/4 of it, 1/4 of an ounce anyway. And the next thing is 1 of Persian lime juice. And 1/4 grenadine. I'm going to use the Liber Co grenadine. 1/4. You see this measuring device has the jigger has a little cut line in there. Only certain brands have that. So when you're buying jiggers and you need to do 1/4, which you will do a lot, be sure and look for that little line. Okay, 1/4. And 3 dashes of Angostura. And then we're going to shake that up. We're going to put it in a bamboo cup tonight. I've got the ice cooling it. Alright, big one to the medium one. And the medium one into the small one. And we're going to add a little bit more ice. There we go. And grab a straw. And there we have it. This is a Zamboanga Punch. Trader Vic's 1972. 23% ABV. And pretty good drink. Have a go. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Helps me out a lot. And this recipe will be in the description. Thanks. See you next time.